In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and publish a high-converting landing page using templates. By the end, you'll have a polished page that looks great on any device and focuses your visitors on a single clear goal. We'll start by choosing a solid foundation, log into your website builder, create a new site, and head to the templates section, then select landing page. Browse until you find a template that matches your style and your objective, whether that's getting signups, bookings, or downloads. Take a moment to preview a few options. Templates are designed to be mobile-friendly right out of the box, so you'll save a lot of setup time and avoid layout headaches later. Pick the one that feels close to what you want. You'll customize the details next. Now let's make it yours. Begin with the headline and subheading. Your headline should clearly state the main benefit or promise. The subheading can add a little context or a supporting detail. Keep both short, specific, and easy to understand. Move on to the images, especially the hero section at the top. Choose a high-quality image or graphic that reinforces your message and doesn't distract from your main call to action. If your template includes a button, make sure the text is action-oriented and tells visitors exactly what they get when they click. Replace any placeholder images and copy so everything reflects your brand and offer. With the content set, it's time to style your page. Adjust colors, fonts, and spacing to create a clean, consistent look. Aim for a simple color palette with one accent color for buttons and highlights. Choose readable fonts and limit yourself to a primary and a secondary style for hierarchy. Increase line spacing a bit for easier reading and add generous white space so each section has room to breathe. Keep elements aligned and consistent across the page. Minimal, tidy design keeps attention on your goal and makes your message feel more trustworthy. Before you publish, do a quick pass, skim for typos, check that links and forms work, and preview on desktop and mobile. When everything looks right, hit publish. Your landing page will go live and you can share the link immediately. The best part is you can return anytime to tweak the copy, swap images, or refine the design and then republish your updates in seconds. That's it. Choose a template, customize your content, style it cleanly, and publish. Pause here and follow along in your own builder, and you'll have a professional landing page ready to go today.